Hi, in today's video I want to show you this cool LED light strip kit that I just bought on Amazon. Those are really nice looking lights. You get the 16 feet light strip like this. Power supply, instructions, some clips and remote control. Included adapter is 12 volts and half an amp. We have a small connector that connects right here onto the lights. The lights come in a small spool and those lights can be cut to a different size. You have markings right here where you can make a cut so you can make them as long as you want. In the back of the lights we have a self-adhering tape along the entire lights. We have 3 clips with also self-adhering tape on the bottom. Remote has on and off options, brightness, 1 buttons for different options. To control the lights with the remote control, we need to plug in RF module in between the lights and the power supply. If you don't want to use the remote, you can use the button on and off right here on this controller. And this is how the finished product looks on my patio. Looks beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.